Today I'm going to be showing you how to graph a line parallel to y equals 2x plus 1 and goes through the point 0, negative 5. Now in this equation we're going to be using point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. Now the slope isn't going to change since the line is parallel, so m is going to equal the slope, and I just said that the slope is going to be the same, so the slope is going to be 2. Then we plug in our point and our slope into our point slope equation. So, for example, y minus negative 5, since negative 5 is the y, and equals, and we plug in our slope, so 2, then x minus 0. Now over here it's going to be y plus 5 to make things easier, since, if you minus a negative, you're just going to be adding it. Now we're going to distribute the y, and in order to do that we're going to follow PEMDAS while doing that. So we're going to start off with p, which is parentheses, and we're going to distribute the 2 into the x into the 0. So it would be 2x minus 0, but we're going to exclude that 0. Then we would just want to minus 5 from both sides to get that y isolated. So it would be y equals 2x minus 5. And we have our second equation in slope-intercept form to compare it to our other equation, y equals 2x plus 1. So let's graph our original equation first, which I'll write down again, would be y equals 2x plus 1. And after that, we're going to graph our other equation, y equals 2x minus 5. So first, we start with the original one. So we have to start off where the 1 is the y-intercept, so we would start at 1, we would put a point there. And since it's rise over 1, we would pretend we have a 1 under there, and we would go up 2, and 1 to the right. And you would do that again to have your graph more accurate. 1, 2, 1. And you can even go backwards. You can go down 2, 1, 2, and then 1 to the left. And you would still get the same result. Now let's graph our second line, y equals 2x minus 5. We're going to be doing the same thing, primarily the same thing, but this time we're going to be starting at negative 5, because that's our y-intercept for this equation. So we do the same thing, go up 2, and 1 to the right. Then you would do that again to, to be more careful with your graphing. And you would just line that up again. You can see it's kind of slanted because I didn't use graph paper. But as you see, both of the lines are parallel, so they're never going to touch each other. And we have achieved our goal of making a line that is parallel to y equals 2x plus 1.